Yo, gloves. Paw gloves. Another purple. Ooh, it's stat track. Hey, that's probably like $2. $4.27. I just made my money back. Red, red, pink, pink. Yo! Yo. Yo. Yo, how much are those worth actually? Probably like $20. Easiest dub of my life. No. I want the print stream. Fuck the gloves are ugly. Yo, let's go! I got a red. Yo. Do I buy more? Like, I don't know, dude. It's fucking like, it's kind of going, huh? Like, there it is. Fuck. So mad. Damn, it's right there. So close, bro. I might have to buy 5 more if it's... Get a purple. Get the op real quick, you know? Whoops. Oh my god. Dude, I got a fucking red and gloves in 10 cases. And the op. The op's not bad looking. We're about to look at all this shit, by the way. More blues. Yeah, it's blues from here on out, boys. Wait, gloves? Wait, I feel like this one's gloves. Whoa, wait. Did y'all hear that? That's gloves. I heard the glove sound. Yo!